I thought I would share a little feature that I like to use using stock model along with my backplot to be able to see if the tools, how it's going to engage with my stock model of the rough part that I've already done. So for example, I have this part on the screen here as we can see, and I got these two tool paths right here that I'm going to set up for backplot. We can see that it comes from both sides. I'm going to actually go ahead and set that up so we don't see the toolpath for a moment. But now I'd like to actually see the stock around that. Since I've already selected my operations I'd like to use, I can now actually come back over here to stock model and select this option. So now that when I use the S key on my keyboard, we can start to see that I'm actually have a chance to check my toolpath against my stock model that I created earlier for my roughing to see, as I'm trying to get down to a feature, am I going to hit that or not. I find this to be a useful tool, especially on backplot, as we'll see, as I can check against both sides here, see where it's cutting, let it finish through that, reaching down. Want to make sure I'm not hitting against the stock as I go deeper and deeper into the part. On that, also defining my holder so we can see how much material is being cut. One more pass there, and then we should be able to flip to the other side, come in once again, verify that my first pass really is not touching much there, and my second pass takes a little material. Also checking against my holder, make sure that I don't hit anything on that to make my passes. One more pass down here so I can see I'm taking material back here against the part, and also checking to see how close I am by my gauge length in my foot and my holder. And of course I can actually turn that off and still go back and rerun those passes if I want to, just against the model. I hope you find this to be a useful tip.